G'day guys, the video I thought I'd shoot today is what practical life skills Sophie does in a day. So you seem to really like the what activities she does in a day, where I do share some practical life skills that she's doing, but I also share some learning activities. Whereas today, I just thought I'd share what she gets up to in a day. Going up the stairs for Brekkie, I always make sure I'm with her when we're going upstairs. She's the best at shutting the gate though. Aren't you, Soph? This is Sophie's cupboard where she's got her bowls and her plates. Plate? Bowl. Oh, 2 bowls. Yep, come on. Bowl and spoon. Well done, gorgeous. She just watched Dad one time break up her wheat bix and now she does it herself. You're going to have 1 today or 2? She does eat it dry. Initially. Oh, Mummy will get you some milk. Yeah, you can have another one. You finished your first one. Normally she'll grab 2 at the start, but today she's doing it differently. She really started initiating this herself, especially with the kitchen learning stool being up at that height. She just wanted to be involved, so she started getting her bowl and her spoon herself. It wasn't something we directed. Spoon, that's right.
Bowl.
Bowl and spoon. So it's just going to sweep up the wheat bix. Turn it the other way. There you go. She's like sweeping for a long time now. They even sent us a picture when she was at daycare of her sweeping. Taggy's dirty, that's right. Yeah, put that in. There's Taggy, well done. You like emptying it more than filling it, don't you, darling?
Mama.
Yeah, it's Mama's worktop.
Dear. Mama. Dear. Dear.
Yeah.
Dada.
Dada's, yes.
Dear. Dear. Mama.
Yeah, that's right, darling.
Mama.
Sock puppet.
Mama.
The thing you just got to remember when you're getting them to help is they're doing their best and that's all they can do. It's not going to be the same as if you did it. It's not going to be the same speed. It's not going to be done as quick as it could be, but it's all about the journey. Well done, Soph. Today Soph's decided to clear the lunch table. So she brought some cutlery and now she's got a chopping board. Thanks, darling. We'll have to put the dishwasher on, won't we?
Look.
All right, push it in. Well done. Oh, okay, still going.
Yeah.
Well done, darling. High five.
Dear.
Shh. We don't have any pets, so Sophie likes to feed just the native birds that we've got. Just use some native bird seed. Done.
Yeah.
Well done, Soph. Oh. All for one, hey, Soph? We get some more for the other tomato? Yeah. I have to get you a watering can for Christmas, hey? So these are Sophie's 2 tomatoes. I can't wait until she's actually picking the tomato fruit.
Da.
Well done, darling.
More.
Done. I think they're done for today. We'll do it again tomorrow. If we remember.
Da.
Oh, give us. Thanks, Soph. 2. Two.
No. Oh. Dear.
Ta.
Oh. Do.
What do you got now, darling?
Oh. Ball. Ball.
Bowl. Ta. Thanks, Dal. Those other ones are a bit further back. How about I get them for you? Here you go, Soph. Give yourself a clean. This is really helpful when she doesn't want you to clean her face. Just get her to do it herself. Your face? Good try, darling. Bye-bye. Well done, darling. That's a fly, sweetie. G'day, guys. Fine, it's fine, darling. Don't stress. Thanks, Soph.
I got this out though.
Thank you, darling.
So set up the... Sorry.
I'm recording. Won't be long, love. Just going to record her doing some stuff.